Hello guys, so today we are going to design a Starbucks cafe shop in our Revit. So for that, go to Revit, open our new software, new project file, right? So we have opened our, so click the units, so go to project units, we will turn the centimeters, okay. So we have done, right? So we will just set the levels. So go to here, so we have got two levels, the height of 50. So we'll rename it as roof. So we're gonna add another level. So the shortcut for the LL is LL, right? So we're gonna take this as minus 57. So it will not interfere with another level, right? Take this as now. So we have placed our levels, right? So we have placed our. So we will go to our level 1. So we will start from furniture, right? So go to component, so go to edit type, go to load, furniture, go to furniture system, so we have this, right? So now what we have to do is go to insert, load family. If you see here any then go. We don't have anything, right? So we'll go to quality system. Okay. So we have to place it over here, right? So we select this one, ratio, triangle of 45. So now go to array. So we're going for the array. So we can take the multiple. So number 5, go to last. You can select whatever. So if we select this one, so we can move like this, right? So we have place like this, right? So we have 5 tables, right? So we're going to select the basic walls. Click the double A. So here we are going to select the smallest one. So that is 19 brick. So we will create a rectangle like this. So this is not an actual wall, right? So we are going to select. So we are using. So right. So for sketching only we're going to use this, right? So again, so we'll use the another wall. So we will select like this. So again like this to like this. So this is a 120. So this is a 120, right? So this is 60, right? So here also we will select this as 60. So right, so now drag over here, select this one, drag over here. So now we will again go to components. We'll place some tables over here, right? Select this and select this and go to rotate at 45 degrees. So click on AR is for the select this as 3, just the last. So we have enough room, right? So again go to components. So we will add and 3 more, right? So by using the tables we determine the tables over here, right? The size of the Starbucks, right? So here we are finished, right? So select this as 240. So we leave the enough room for them, right? So after that we will be deleting these walls, right? So I'm going to select this. So we are selecting the outer layers. So we are going. So our connected height is 100 meters, and for this. So for this. So this and this. So attached to our roof, right? So if we go to south, so here we can see, right? So we have connected this one roof, right? So this is a glass area, right? So this is a terrace, right? So we can do this level, right? So I'm selecting these two storefront, right? So right, so we have placed our storefront, right? So we will go to component in a place. So this will be a flooring, right? So open floors, floor 1, we will call this a floor 1. So we need a workplane. So for that go to level 1. So go to reference plane. So we will place one like this, right? So right, okay, go to south elevation, close, okay, so we have to so wait first we will go to extrusion. So we don't have, right, so go to the level 1, select the reference plane, select over here, so do it name as star, right? Now go to south elevation. We need to go to south elevation. We will go to extrusion, right? Select this as star. So now click on OK, right? So we have got this, right? So we have selected the extrusion, right? So let's start from here. So like this. So we'll do this much. So we are taking this. So up to the so go to here and selecting this like this. So now select this one and offset of 30 centimeters. So further we will add the fillet over here. So here we're gonna fill it. So we will give radius of 20 centimeters, right? So select here. So now go to here and offset of 30 centimeters, right? So let's do this. So it will select it like this, right? So now select the line, close this. So our offset should be 0, right? So now I will complete this, right? So go to trim and extend. So we have gone it, right? So we have all drawn this, right? So here you can see, so we have done all this, right? So we have connected all the parameters and we have closed it, everything, right? So click on OK. So here, so go to level 1. So we'll extend this all the way to outside, right? So 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 before we finish our model, we will go with this. So you can change these materials, right? So we'll select the plastic. Select this plastic green. Okay. So click on finish. So it is done, right? So we have placed over like this, right? So this is our 3D, right? So we will delete this whole work, right? We don't need this, right? So we'll select, so we'll change this to Storefront, right? So we have deleted all this, right? So here we can see, right? We can delete this. So we need to clark key hole will be selected, right? So select, go to 200, generate 200, go to edit, go to edit type, so go to category, so select the wood, add appearance, replace. So here we have the different types of woods, right? So we have siding wood, right? So here we have different types of woods, right? So we can also select this type or we'll select this one, okay? Okay. Okay. So if you see here, you can see these are so ugly, right? So we're going to clean them. So select this thing, and on the control and arbiter, select here. So unpin all this. So here we will change this to trapezoidal. So here can see. So again we will do same for this also, right? So now select this. So now we will select this, right? Now select this, unpin this one, select like this, unpin, go to here, so you select the trapezoidal, delete element. So here we can see, right? So like this we have created this one, right? So now we have this wall, right? So now select this profiles and select the top offset as -30, apply, so it has gone, right? Now select this, edit profile, now select the lines, edit files, and so pick lines, so trim and extend, right? So now go to trim and extend. So we can trim and extend. Select the terminal extend. So delete all these necessary walls. Terminal extend. Click OK. Right. So we should not be having this trim and extend, right? Okay. So we need to do the trim and extend, right? So trim and extend. Okay. So it should be closed, right? So here we have gone, right? Then select this, and the top surface is -30. Apply, right? So if you select this also as -30. So we have to go to the profile, outlines. So this one, go to interior, trim and extend. Over here, right? So now we'll go to here, delete this, again trim and extend. So we're done with that. So now we are done with this, right? So now we will place our doors. Go to level 1. So click on DR. So I'm going to place one here and another one over here. So again we will add a wall over here, right? So this is for the storage, MECH. So again over here and again DR. So we have selected. So if you want to apply door over here, so we have to select this and we have to place this over this side, right? Select this and flip it this side, right? Select this and flip over that side, right? So now if you go to tab, select this and unpin. So unpin, right? So for if you want to place a door on the curtain wall, so after unpinning, so if we go to door, so here we don't have any doors, right? So now go to insert, door family, go to doors, so we'll select, so we'll select one door, right? So we'll select this door. So now we'll go to home, select this one. So here we have to select our empty panel, right? So go to insert, now load, doors, middle panel open. Now select the tab, go to here. So here we have it placed. So here we are not able to place it, right? So we have selected our panel, right? So for that, unpin this. So let's go the tab. So now go to empty panel, go to insert and load family. So open. So tap, tap, tap. So go to here. So here we go. New dots, right? So here you want to be able to post, right? So now we will tap, unpin this. So we'll select this as multi-panel, right? So those. So we are going to select this one. So here we can do right. One. So select your railing. So go to edit type, select this 900 mm pipe, and OK. So it is very simple as railing, right? So we'll take an offset of 10 centimeters, right? So I can select this, and draw one over here. So now go to clear, trim, and so now I select this one. Now delete this one. Click on OK. So right, if we go to 3D, so here we can see our right. If we go to realistic, so here you can see. So you can see right. So inside it, right. So now got this, right. So now we'll add a text for this, right. Consistent colors. So consistent shading with edges. So we will do in the realistic only. So now we will add a model over here. So click this as Starbucks. Okay. So but we need a reference plane, right? Set. Okay, plane. Okay. So selected this. So save that. Okay, plane. Okay. So just like this. So now go to model, star box. Okay. So it is reversible. So we now unchecked our star box, right? So we will go to our wireframe. So we will go to model. Okay. So about here we can see it is. So that's how you can place this one. So pick a plane. So we'll select the Maulian place over here, right? So here start box, right? Okay. So if you want to select this, so rotate this, right? So here we have this, right? Go to 3D. So we'll drag this. So here we have this, right? So we'll delete this. So now we will do it. We will implement the camera, right? So go to level 1. So now view, go to here, take the camera and place it over here, right? So here we can see, right? You can see our Starbucks Cafe in Revit, right? Go to realistic. So here we have this, right? So this is how we can create, right? If we go to rendering, so go to extrusion only, select few clouds and click on render, right? So it will render. So it is going to start rendering, right? So I have done the rendering in the draft. You can do in the high level, so it will be a best quality for us, right? So we will see this. So this is a Starbucks cafe, right? So here we have our Starbucks cafe. So this is a drafting, right? If you go to low or medium, so again if you render, so it will be a nice one. So I will show you after rendering.